Challenge ko sa inyo ngayon. Let's try to say what day of the month it is in Japanese. We're gonna start off today with the first day of the month hanggang sa 10th day of the month. So, sa English, di ba, we say the first of the month, the second of the month, the third, the fourth, and so on and so forth. In Japanese, paiba-iba yung pagsasabi ng first day of the month hanggang sa 10th. Don't worry, we'll go through it together. So, for the first day of the month, in Japanese, that's tsuitachi. For the second day of the month, we have futsuka. For the third day, we have mikka. Then the fourth, yokka. Fifth, itsuka. Sixth, muika. Seventh, nanoka. Eighth, yoka. The ninth is kokonoka. And lastly, the 10th is toka. For the days after the 10th, all you have to do is say the number and add nichi at the end. There's some exceptions, but we'll go through that in another video. So, what day of the month is it today? Leave your answers in the comments section.